like about working at Martinsville is I really feel like we have a good sense of community. The admin really cares about each teacher and each staff member individually, and I really appreciate that.
We are so excited to have Mrs. Cruz here at Paragon Elementary. This is her first year. She has been a great part of our community. She's always smiling, positive. Anytime you walk in the hallways, she's always there greeting students and smiling. In the classroom, the kids are engaged. We just saw that, working in projects with each other. Thank you, Mrs. Cruz, for being a part of Paragon Elementary and the MSD of Martinsville.